We're joined today by Tommy Grisafi with Advanced Trading. Tommy, as we look at the macro situation that we're in right now, we're looking at a Dow that's down, 6,000 points. The Fed is planning to meet later today to talk about interest rates. How big a discussion will that be?
It's a big deal. It affects all of our lives. Those people who borrow money, and the whole world uses money for so many things. Our choices are, for today's meeting, a 50-point raise, 0.50, a half of a percent, 3/4, even maybe a little shock and awe. Let's just get it over with. Let's get the spanking over with. Let's go up a point and see how the markets react to that. So a lot of uncertainty coming in this report. Yes, the stock market has come way off the highs. That's the Dow Jones. The NASDAQ companies have come off even more. Starting to see weakness in ag companies and ag stocks also, like John Deere and Potash. So everyone being affected by this. When you look at the ag community in the ag banking system, ag banking, I just attended a virtual meeting at the North Dakota Bankers Association. Ag banks are strong right now. The American farmer is strong with capital, but the price of borrowing money is going up. It's not, it might go up, it's going up. And the question we should be asking ourselves, how will this affect our business?
Well, and I think that it is a big question because we look at what fuel prices have been continuing to set fresh records day after day. How does this trickle out across the farm economy that, as you said, is kind of, with these prices where they are, holding relatively strong right now?
We're looking for demand destruction. How high can fuel go before Tommy or Clinton says, we're not going that ride? When I say I'm driving to New Buffalo, we're going to go for a ride to Lake, where I say, heck with it. I'm going to continue to drive. I just continue to fill up and laugh at the pumps because this was so preventable. Well, let's not set policy here. Let's move forward. Demand destruction will occur. And how high will someone pay for a steak? How much will someone pay to fill up their vehicle, to go out for a steak? And where will you see the splinters first? I would imagine, keep an eye on the restaurant sector, the high-end restaurant sector. You may see what happened during COVID, where people just eat more meals at home. So we're going to continue to eat high-quality food, God willing, that you can afford to. But there's a certain part of the population, Clinton, you and I know so well, cannot afford high food, fuel, and fiber, and it's the largest tax ever. You put interest rates going up in that environment, and people who don't have a lot of money tend to borrow a lot of money. It's a conundrum. We're going to see how this plays out. It's never happened since you and I have been born, and I'm old. And so this is all new to all of us.
Yeah, appreciate it. Tommy, thank you for the insights. I always appreciate the perspective. We'll be back with more Ag Day coming up in just a minute.
Interested in spending a day with a trader? Call Tommy Grisafi at 800-664-4383.